Well, I think it comes back with a lot of them. It's about. They always say it's about liberty and personal choice.
What was that?
What was that, Paul?
I don't know.
That was the mysterious hum.
Oh
my
I've heard
God.
about this, dude.
What is the mysterious global hum? And is it simply noise pollution?
I've heard about this.
Apparently 4% of people experience this. Up to 4% of people are said to hear a strange, low-pitched noise known as
The hum.
That's right.
They're just testing
Do
on
you
population.
hear the hum, TJ?
But no source has ever been found. Hum.
Those
Look,
of us that
TJ,
hear the
this-
hum should converge.
City life is
You're
one
being spoken
possible
to by the planet.
cause.
This is the interdimensional aliens communicating with their bases here, TJ. They're just testing out the population. Okay, right now it's 4%, TJ. Soon it'll be 8%, 12%, 100% eventually. They're just testing. They're conditioning us to
Wait,
accept this hum.
Listen, I think I hear the hum now. Do you hear the hum?
I don't know. Maybe play it again.
Hold on. The hum comes near.
Damn, the hum sounds a little familiar.
Whenever I wake up, it is there, and it is unbelievably loud. When nobody else can hear it, you think you're going nuts, and it wears you down, says Simon Payne, 55, from Cambridgeshire. Payne is a hearer of the mysterious global phenomenon known as the hum. I have been desperate to get away from it, so I have stayed with friends and even moved house. The hum is experienced as a constant, low-pitched noise, much like the sound of a large truck idling in a nearby parking lot. Hearers tend to report experiencing it in urban areas, leading some to conclude that it is, in fact, a form of noise pollution screened from most people by the general city soundscape. It is said to cause symptoms that range from insomnia to headaches to dizziness.
Dude, it's like the number 23, dude. It's just like some weird subset of the population that can fucking hear this fucking this signal, dude. This hum, dude.
We hear.
How has Hollywood not jumped on this and made a fucking movie?
We are the heroes.
It's
of the
gonna be
hum.
like Slender Man, where they do it like 9 years too late.
Trailer. Do. You. Here. The hum. Yep.
Yeah, the hum, dude. It's kind of freaky. I like it.
fucking
It is. It's kind of
city's
like.
It seems X-File-y.
Dude, the
Yeah.
city's gonna be thrown into chaos and shit. People are gonna be rioting. You know what though? All those people aren't gonna be able to hear the hum, but they're gonna hear it. They're like, I hear the hum. It's telling them what to do.
They're getting their marching orders from the aliens.
Yeah, dude. Maybe it is the aliens trying to speak
It's
to
the
us. Dude. Maybe if
interdimensional
all
aliens.
of the people that have the hum get together, and we piece together all of the ways that they hear the hum, there will be a message from the aliens.
Yeah. So
Greetings, people of Earth. We are coming to harvest your planet on Anno 2020 on the eve of the election of your Trump.
it is quite a long article. I don't want to get too deep into it, but I thought it was interesting. It's kind of freaky. I like it. Makes me curious.
The hum, TJ.
The hum.
What if you start? What if you delve too deeply and you start hearing the hum, TJ?
Dude, I want to hear it. I already got the insomnia. I might as well have the hum.
The hum, TJ. The hum is humming for you, TJ.
So, what the fuck is this? It's like at the bottom of the page for some reason. That's great.
Whoa.
What is it doing? Go up.
What the hell is happening here?
Wondery drops Sword and Scale amidst controversy over host's social media posts.
I'm deleting my Twitter. I'm going home right after this, and I'm just going to
this is
delete
a
my
fucking
Twitter.
huge-
Trexit.
This is a fucking huge podcast.
It's time for the Trexit.
True crime.
Trexit? Is that when you stopped watching Star Trek?
No, that's the Twitter exit.
I'll never stop
the
watching Star
Twexit.
Trek.
Sorry, the Twexit.
Oh, okay.
True crime podcast Sword and Scale has been dropped by its podcast network Wondery, and the show, hosted by Mike Boudet, is ending its free version and will now issue only exclusive episodes for Patreon subscribers. Boudet's spin-off show Sword and Scale Rewind, This Is War, and Monstro are also ending. The termination comes after Boudet, whose postings on social media, including comments perceived as sexist or offensive, had come under... I'm so tired of the word offensive.
It's offensive.
Had come under prominent fire from other prominent podcasters. Oh, that's great. Just jealous bitches, basically. Including lore creator Aaron Mankey and undisclosed host Rabia Chaudhry. Yeah, so direct competitors, basically.
So more
Yes.
fake fucking outrage and coming directly from people who stand to benefit from this dude
He
not
said
being out
something
there
naughty.
as a competitor.
And he said, here's what he said. He said, I don't understand dumb cunts.
Oh my God. If that's all it takes to ruin you, I'm fucked.
We're
On
doomed.
International Women's Day, Paul.
But he said on International Women's Day, Paul.
Yeah.
Oh,
How
I
do you
don't-
excuse that?
I wouldn't even know if it was International Women's Day, man. I don't have one of those stupid little posters on my wall that tells me what each fucking Hallmark holiday day
You didn't
it
read the
is
whole
today.
thing, though, TJ, though. Maybe I should take one apart to see how it works. Oh. What does that mean, TJ?
I don't know. Maybe
Well,
it means he wants to get into some pussy. I don't know.
No, like from the looks of the promotional material in the corner, it looks like he's got like a kind of edgy, dark podcast, and that's kind of an edgy, dark statement.
It's a true crime podcast.
Cool. So,
Okay.
yeah. Like, so I guess you're, I mean, like, yeah, what a weird thing to draw
So
the
here's
line
them
at.
actually dropping him via Twitter.
We have decided to part ways with Mike Boudet and Sword and Scale.
And this is a huge pot. Like when I looked them up, they had like 29,000 ratings on iTunes. Their Patreon had like 16,000 people on it. I mean, it's a huge podcast.
So then Sword and Scale said, Sword and Scale is coming to an end thanks to Amonki and Rabaya Squared. Plus episodes will still be regularly released at patreon.com/Sword and Scale. Here's the full story, and then links to some SoundCloud thing. Here's what I'll say about, this is Aaron Mankey, one of the guys that I guess got outraged.
Yeah, this is the dude that made Lore.
Right. Here's what I say about the Sword and Scale guy blaming me for his podcast going away. After this, I'm moving on. First, I don't listen to his show, so it's never been about his show. He works hard. I'm sure the production value is amazing. I've never attacked his show. And I guess he goes on to say more, but I don't know how do we...
Who cares?
Whatever. Oh, here it is. Second, folks say if you don't like what he says, just block him. But I blocked him months ago. Despite that, he still somehow reads my timeline and tweets about me. I never sought him out. Other people sent me screenshots, and if they're offensive, I comment. So basically, this guy's just an innocent fucking
Wow.
victim in all this.
He's not going to say anything, but he sure has a lot to say before he's not
right.
going to
Look
say
at that.
anything.
Yeah, there we go. And he even concludes by saying, "Thanks for coming to my TED Talk." Well, I didn't get through it all, so don't
Whatever.
thank me yet.